Alright guys, welcome back to Trouble Pets. I hope you people loved our previous video, and thanks for all the likes and support. I hope you people will keep supporting us like this. So let's dive into our today's video. Today's video we'll do the installation of operating system. Now the operating system is not gonna be Windows 7, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10, as it is basic. Everybody does. You can find tons and tons of videos on YouTube about the installation of operating system like Windows. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna install Linux today. So before installing any operating system via any pen drive, we need to make the pen drive bootable. So to make the pen drive bootable, we are going to use RUFUS software. This software is pretty much easy to use. All we have to do is plug in our pen drive and format the pen drive in the first place. Okay, so opening the RUFUS software, we will see this pop-up window. Now these are the drive properties. Now we are going to choose whichever disk that we have attached. So this will be chosen from this property. Now the next property will be boot selection. Now in this we will select the disk or ISO image, because obviously we are going to use it for the bootable purposes. Then we'll select the ISO file from this. This partition scheme will be MBR because it is recommended for the bootable purposes. Then the target system will obviously be BIOS or UEFI. Again, the label, we can rename it whatever the name we want. Okay. Then file system will be NTFS because it is recommended for the bootable. If the bootable ISO file is above 4 GB, so NTFS is necessary. Then the cluster size will be default, and yes, we are ready. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, I've did a little bit of video transition here. This thing takes a little bit of time, so a little bit of video transition might help us to save some time. Okay, so again the video transition. Now we are done with the bootable process, that it says the status is ready. So we are going to close this thing and we'll start the bootable process. Okay, so this is a screen that we will see after plugging in our bootable pen drive to our system. Now we have to select the installed RedHat Enterprise Linux because we will not be testing this media. We have to install the whole Linux thing in one go. So we will select that thing. The process will start. The process is totally automatic and everything will happen on its own. We don't have to do anything, just have to wait. Some patience, guys. So a little bit of video transition. We have completed the process. Saving time is crucial. Here we go. Starting installer, one moment. There we are. Now this thing is pretty obvious. Now we are going to select the English language. From here we can select whatever we want. Now since we are uploading in this from India, so we will select the English India thing, and we'll go continue. Okay. Date and time will be Asia and Kolkata. That's the default thing. Then we'll go for the software selection. Hang on. Okay, here we go. So if we select the minimal install, we'll just install the command line interface, which is not recommended for the beginners. So we'll go for the server with GUI, that is a graphical user interface. Now in this we'll select DNS. These are the list of the crucial things that we are going to use in our operating system. So we'll select whatever you want, you can select it. Now for this video we're gonna select DNS name server, then email server, FTP, file storage, hardware monitor, then hang on. Oh my god. Okay, then Java platform, large system preferences, then load balancer, then virtual client, virtual hypervisor, virtual tools, performance tools, then compatibility libraries, and security tools, the most important part, and system administration tools. So we are done with this. Oh, hang on, I forgot this one. Okay, so we're done with the selection of the important things that are necessary for our operating system. Then we're done. Again, now we'll go in installation destination. We'll select whichever is. We are not going to do the partition here, so this is done. Okay, let this be configured. Okay, so video transition is done. It takes a pretty much time. So this is the window we'll see after everything is configured. Now we'll begin the installation process. Now we have to select the password for the root directory or the root user login. So we are gonna do and type some password. Okay, so let me confirm this here. Oh, come on. Yeah, there we go. The password does not match. What? Okay, hang on. Okay, so it's done. Now the installation will be started. All the thing, it will take time. Whatever the thing that we have selected in the previous part, it will be installed. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of video transition. This takes a little bit of time, so I'll see you on the flip side. Alright, so this is, I will install the features that we have selected previously. Okay, performing post installation setup. Now we are almost done with the installation. A little bit of steps are remaining. That's it. Now we are done with the installation of the RedHat Enterprise Linux 7.5. Okay, now we're almost in the end game. Here we go. Completion. Now we will reboot the system. You don't have to do anything here. It will detect the thing automatically and take the boot. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I've did a little bit of video transition there. It took a little bit of time. So this is the screen that we will face after the installation process. Now we have to select the license agreement and accept every single thing. Then we're done and we'll finish the configuration. Here we go. We'll select the English as usual, then again English India, and next. Okay, so we have selected Kolkata, India. Then we'll go next. Let's skip this thing. Okay, so password is necessary again. Here we go. So this is a Linux operating system. As you can see, we can do all the other stuff. In the next video we might add something related to the directories of the Red Hat. The directories are these, all the directories. I'll give you a brief information about all the directories and how to access them via the terminal. This is what the terminal looks like, and yes, that's it. We're done with it.